game. So, hindi natin maintindihan. No? Ganyan daw. Scroll, scroll daw. Down, up, scroll, up, down. Diretso. Tap to move daw. Parang huwag lahat. So, yan.
Susulat ko. Ay, tao,
Hey, you! Get over here! One more cod. You have to get out of here before it's too late. There's an extra key hidden somewhere in this room. I can give you a hand, but you'll be on your own from here on out. There are a couple of things you need to learn if you want to survive. For starters, take a look at the desk to your left. The mansion is packed with traps and puzzles. Getting away is going to mean searching and collect these coins. They'll help you get better.
What's that noise?
Crow heard something. Hurry. There's a cabinet behind you, so jump in there before he sees you.
Hala. Hala.
Gotcha! Where did he go?
Hindi tayo nakita, boy. Ito yung susi.
Phew, it worked. I was so scared you were going to be caught.
Asa yung susi? Sinasabi niya.
I just can't remember where that key is.
Ah, nasa notebook.
Now you can open that door. And that's it for me. I hope you get out.
Takot ah. Napatay ka na.
So, ulitin natin siya. Hindi lang naman yung susi eh.
Wala. Sa rumbo. Hindi mo nahanap. Wala tubig mama dito. Nahanap ka na. Hindi mama sabi. Bus mo mama.
Huwag, kakala ko si zombie.
Okay.
O baka nandyan na siya, boy.
Konti na yun. Patay ko dyan. Patay ko ko.
Sa future ni Eugene at itatackle ko rin at gagawan din natin ng videos ang iba pang JJ kita
Tangina, nagulat ako.
Namutot si Papa eh. Huwag ko na katulog. Mamaya, mabatuto niya.
Ano naman napipindot dyan? Baka lumabas yung ano eh, matanda eh. Ano?
Matay ka ate. Katakot. Dahil sinto no, bubusok tinto oh.
Stop!
Andiyan na siya!
Get away! Take that!
Mamatay tayo. Ay, nakapatay na tayo.
Wala na ito.
Nilibing tayo.
Puro spam nito.
Wala, patay ka na. Wala, iki. Doon. Sa lugar. Doon. Ayoko na sa'yo.
Saan kasi yung hirap maghanapin ng ano?
Ayaw mo ako.